Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw an alarm clock. This video is going to be epic, so sit back and enjoy this video, my friends. Friends, please watch this video till the end so that you can get that full satisfaction out of it. Friends, I found this picture on Google. This is an chrome plated antique good old days alarm clock, and I just want to draw it because it have a lot of reflections and other stuffs and details, so I want to give it a try. And here's it, my friends. I love the results, and I took nearly 3 hours to complete this drawing, which is so worth it, and I just love this drawing. So see this video fully. I took 3 hours but this video is just 3 minutes, so yeah, give it a watch. So friends, after watching this video, if you like this video and if you like this drawing, just share this drawing and share this video to your friends and relatives and family who loves art. And friends, if you are a person who just want to learn and see a lot of drawings, then sub to the channel will be great, and turn on the post notifications so you will get a notification for my every videos. Friends, I'm posting weekly 3 videos on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, so stay tuned on those days. And I'm having a lot of great and big plans to be executed in this near future, so yeah, stay tuned, my friends. Friends, for this drawing I'm using my Artline graphite pencils and blending stumps and needle eraser and then mono zero eraser for highlights and then white gel pen too. So friends, I found these things are so important for drawing, and I'll make some separate videos on drawing materials and other important stuffs quickly so that you can get it. Friends, when I'm starting out, no one helped me out on these things, and yeah, actually no one is there to help me, but I found this in a process of drawing these many drawings. I have created more than 174 videos till now on YouTube, so I have experimented with a lot of things in graphite, charcoal and color pencils, so I'll give some tips and other stuffs which I learned in this process so that you can learn it easily. So friends, the drawing is completed. I'm just signing it right now, as you can see, and you can see the drawing. I'll give a close-up look. So here's it, my friends. This is the drawing, and here you can see the close-up. I hope you like it. And friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. And thank you so much for watching, friends. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa